Good morning class 10 student, welcome back to the online classes. So we will continue the chapter trigonometry. So before going through the last exercise, we just revise some formulas. It means first formula sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, from this formula we can derive the two more formula, this one gone there and this one gone there. It means 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta. And second formula is your sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. One formula. Now this one gone there, 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta, and sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. And the third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Then cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. See here, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, cot theta equal to its reverse cos theta by sin theta, and multiplication of these two, tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1, and so on. So let us do some question related to the trigonometric identities. We can use this formula to solve these identities. It means trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. So the first question is here: 2 cos square theta plus 1 by 2 cos square theta plus 1 by 1 plus cot square theta. Cot square theta is equal to, we have to prove that this is equal to 2. Okay, so look here. This is 2. Here is the question. Here is 2. Okay, now here is 2 taking common. What is left here? Cos square theta plus 1 by, look, 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosec square theta. This is LHS. Okay. So 2 taking common, this is cos square theta plus, and we know that 1 by cosec. 1 by cosec equal to sin. So this is sin square theta, and we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. It means 2 into 1 is equal to 2, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Now the second question. Same thing. Prove that sin cube theta plus cos cube theta, sin cube theta plus cos cube theta by sin cube theta plus cos cube theta by sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta is equal to 1. We have to prove that sin cube theta plus cos cube theta by sin theta plus cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta equal to 1. And we know that here is sin cube theta plus cos cube theta. It means a cube plus b cube in the form. A cube plus b cube formula, a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. It means here is formula, using formula sin theta plus cos theta, a plus b, this is LHS, a plus b, a square means sin square theta minus ab means sin theta cos theta plus b square means cos square theta by, what is here, sin theta plus cos theta, and this is plus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now look here. This is sin theta cos theta, sin theta cos theta. Cancel each other. Now this sin square theta plus cos square theta. Written together. Sin square theta plus cos square theta minus sin theta cos theta. This one plus sin theta. Okay. Now look. Minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta. Cancel each other. And we know that sin here is what is left? Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Then sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which is equal to RHS. Okay, got it? Now move to the third question. Move to the third question. Cosec theta minus cot theta. Prove that cosec theta minus cot theta, what is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So, look, LHS. Here is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. And we know that cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta minus cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, just taking LCM here, then it is 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, now look here, just 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. By sin square theta. So this one should be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square by, look, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so here 1 square minus cos theta whole square should be written in. Then this one 1 minus cos theta whole square by, this is a square minus b square. It means a plus b. It means 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta cancel. This is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to RHS. Okay. Now move to the next question. The fourth question is, move to the fourth question. Cos A by 1 plus sin A. Cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 sec A. We have to put 2 sec A. Okay, so cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. Now this is LHS. We have to prove that. Now LHS equal to cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, now look here, just taking here LCM, 1 minus sin A into cos A. Then cross multiplication, cos into cos, cos square plus 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A whole square. Okay, so here is cos square A. Now look here, A plus B whole square, A plus B whole square. Then 1 whole square 1 plus sin square A, 1 plus sin square A plus 2 sin A into 1. Okay? A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Okay? So, by here 1 plus sin A into cos. Now look, cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1 plus already 1 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay? Now look, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay? Now taking 2 common, what is left? 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now look, 1 plus sin A and 1 plus sin A. Cancel each other. Then what is left here? 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A. And we know that 1 by cos equal to sec. Then 2 into sec A, which is equal to 2 sec A, which is equal to RHS. Okay? So,